way. Good morning.
How you now?
I'm fine. Where can they go?
You get one person wey call me now say they need plumber.
Thank God. No Tesha, I dey house.
Yeah now.
Bye bye.
Yes, come in.
Hello sir.
Good morning, young man. Are you the plumber they asked to come and fix the water?
Yes sir.
Are you sure you're expert?
Aji. Even for office, they get bedroom, they get toilet.
He shock you.
Aji, I must make up for this life.
Yes, come in.
Baby! Oh, I miss you. Sorry I took so
God
long.
have mercy upon us.
I miss you.
Why are you just coming?
I'm so sorry. My husband just left the house now. So that's why you're seeing me now.
Jesus.
My husband.
Yours, man.
Yes.
Oh God. God.
I'm living in pain.
This is my husband.
Emotionally stressed.
Boss, I beg no verse, I beg.
You don't know. You don't know why it's
I
going
don't
on.
finish your work sir.
How much is the money now?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
1.5 million.
Eh?
1.5.
Money for what?
Aji. Just look away fee.